Hello everyone and welcome back to TechFlow Media. Uh, this is a part 2 of our Siemens Electrical Designer series, and in part 1 we took a look at the overall tool view, discussed how to access it, its main benefits, and what exactly the Electrical Designer tool is capable of. If you missed that overview, make sure to catch up on it. Okay, so now part 2 is uh, where things get really interesting because we are jumping straight into the practical examples. Right. So before we dive deep into the electrical designer itself, it's important to remember that it is actually a specialized module within the broader Siemens TI selection tool. So today I'm going to give you a quick high level look at the TI selection tool dashboard, and then I will show you exactly how to launch the electrical designer inside it. So we can start building our single line diagrams, electrical layouts, and much more. So let's get started. So first, let's open up the browser. So just I will open Chrome browser, and here I will type TI selection tool. Since I already typed it couple of times, it's showing me in a history, but you have to type TIA selection tool cloud, right? And just enter it. So if you see the first link will be open, click on it. Yeah, so if you see, we will head over to the main Siemens TI selection uh, tool cloud page. Once the main dashboard loads, you'll notice options for the my project catalog and order list. If you see here, my project catalog and order list. So right now it's saying that no project selected, if you see here, which is perfectly fine because we are starting fresh. Let's focus on my project option at the moment. So click here on the my project. So you'll get two buttons. One is for the create new project, another is for the upload the project. Uh, so since we don't have any existing project file on our system yet, we are going to build a new one from the scratch. So I will click on the create new project. So if you see here, create new project window will open. Here simply I will give the name, for example, demo project, and I will click on the create button. So once if you see, we click on that create button, this project demo project name will be here, and this is our project tree actually. So if you see here, the in the left side there are quite few options here, but for this series we want to concentrate entirely on this electrical designer plugin. So forget or just ignore these other options for a moment. So and we'll concentrate on the electrical designer only. So if you see here, the next window is project properties. So what we have given the project name is demo project, so it's showing here. Then if after completion everything, then if you want to export the PDF, then you if what exactly if that PDF name should be, you can give here. Then project information, editors, that maybe editor could be your company or you itself. Then application, this projects you are creating the project for which application, for example conveyor belt or welding machines or welding stations, etc., or automobile or process industry, whatever. Then if you want to add some notes, you can add it here, and then customers data, contacts details, and etc. So we will not these are all the these field all are the mandatory, not the compulsion. So we for moment we will ignore it. If you want to give some random information, you can give it, but currently our today's motto is to understand the electrical designer functionality first. So yeah, so once you click on the electrical designer, one disclaimer window will be open. So just read the instructions, or just disclaimer, some disclaimers will be there, and just click on the OK button. So if you see here, this is our electrical main window, and you can see the couple of buttons here. So new IC in feed, edit mode, print, auto arrange network, send us feedback. These are the zooming options, and changelog is also there. So in our means all right, we have successfully completed our very first step, that is initialize the project, right? And now actually unlock our workspace and enable these edit buttons and etc. For the first things we must do is to create the IC in feed, this new IC in feed. Once we place that, then in our next segment I'm going to break down exactly what each of these toolbar buttons does and how they function. So uh, in the next video will be the creation of new IC input and the load feeder. So stay tuned and let's keep building. See you in the next video, where I already say you that we will try to create the SLT single line diagram with new IC in feed plus load feeder. Thank you.